Marvel's first foray into feature films was Howard the Duck, released in 1986. This quirky adaptation of the comic book character was meant to be a game changer, but it ended up being a box office flop. Despite its ambitious blend of live action and animation, audiences were baffled by the premise of a wisecracking anthropomorphic duck navigating a world of humans. Critics panned it for its odd humor and confusing plot, leading to a mere $38 million gross against a $37 million budget. Ironically, Howard the Duck has since gained a cult following, celebrated for its campy charm and unique place in cinematic history. It serves as a reminder of Marvel's early struggles before it became the powerhouse we know today.